in the midst of all this mess, Laurie's out of town taking care of her mom, and I'm gonna spend the night in a construction site. It's about an hour and 20 minutes. It takes me a while to get here every day by the time I stop, do all the stuff I'm doing. And then I have to quit early to be able to get home. So I'm gonna brave it, and I'm going to move in one of the twin beds from the grandkids' room. And we're gonna see what it's like to spend the night at Bon Aire by yourself. Time to make the bed. Nothing's complete without a pair of slippers, especially with these dirty floors. This is going to be interesting. There you go. It's going to be interesting. Well, I survived the night at Bon Aire. Took a while to fall asleep in a new place. Woke up several times during the night. But hey, I survived. And as you can tell, doing pretty good. So today I will be getting on the lift and trying to paint some of the exterior trim that's over top of the roof area so that we don't get paint on the new roof. But I'm here a lot earlier than I would have been driving all the way here. Usually we get here about, I don't know, 10 o'clock or sometimes later. So, hey, first night of the big adventure. Time for me to get my butt to work. Good morning.